There are three ways through which one can detect object in any image. The first one is use pre-trained object detection models. The second is create your own object detection model. And the third is cascade classifiers. So to detect the stop sign, you will need an actual stop sign cascade classifier. Then create a Python file in which we will code. We will start with importing the CV2 module. Let me just increase the font size. The first thing you need to do is to load the cascade classifier of the stop sign into a variable. Keep the code and the cascade classifier in the same folder as I do. Then we need to create an instance of video capture. You can keep it 0 if you want to use the primary webcam, or if you want to use a secondary webcam, then you will need to put 1 in it. The default resolution of my webcam is 720 pixels and we can't work with it. We need to reduce the size of the pixels, so I will convert the 720 pixels to 480 pixels by using cap.set. Now once that's done, we are good to go. We have initialized everything we need. Now we need to make an infinite loop. ret, img, defining two variables in which return is the boolean that will store true or false. If we are able to read an image from the webcam, then return will store the true, or otherwise it will store false. And the img variable will store the actual image in it. Once we read the file, that is the image, in RGB format, we need to convert it into a grayscale. Because we cannot detect anything in the RGB format, we have to convert the image into gray format. And the way we do is gray is equals to cv2 dot cvt color. Then we will pass image as our input, and then we type cv2 dot bgr to gray. Remember that it is BGR, not RGB. In CV2 module we usually write BGR. Then we will show our image using cv2.imshow. cv2.wait key will wait for 30 milliseconds. Not this, but we need to store the key in a variable. And when a button from keyboard is pressed, then we will break the loop. If key is equals to ord of q, then we will release the cap and will destroy all the windows. Now if you wish to see the webcam is reading the images or not, you can directly run the Python code in the command prompt. Now see, that is working. Now to detect the stop sign, we will create another variable in which we will use the small ss, in which we have loaded the cascade classifier, and will call a method. And the method is detect multiscale. ss is equals to small ss dot detect multiscale, in which we will pass our gray image and then two numeric values, that is 1.3 and 5. The first number, that is you are seeing 1.3, is the number that will reduce the image by 30%. If you use here 1.2, the image get reduced by 20%, and the right number, that is 5 number, is something which defines the accuracy of the detection. The greater the number, the greater will be the accuracy. This actually defines the minimum pixels to be matched. Now we'll apply the for loop. Now remember that you have to use capital SS. Then that's it. That is very simple. You have to use 4 variables, any variables you wish to use. Then inside it you will print stop sign detected or any other thing you need. You can make a box around the stop sign using cv2.rectangle function, but I don't recommend it because it uses the computational power and decreases the speed. I have combined the stop sign and red light in one code, and now you can see stop sign and red light both can be detected.